Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see your Social Security number, SSN, on Cash App in 2025. Whether you need it for verification or tax purposes, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can find it easily and safely. Let's jump right in. First is open your Cash App. After opening, click your profile in the top right section. After that, click the Security and Privacy. In the Privacy and Security section, look for the verification. If you are not verified yet, you should be verified. Just follow the instructions needed. And that's it. That's how you can quickly view your Social Security number on Cash App in 2025. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful Cash App tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.